Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Few days back, I was searching for photo frames at reasonable rate so that I can frame some of my drawings. Finally, I ended up ordering 6 A4 size photo frames only at piece 414. Here is my order. Let's unbox this and see how the photo frames are, and I will also tell you from where did I order these frames. It looks like packaging of the frame is well and good. Let's open the package and see. So here we have our frames well wrapped in a plastic polythene sheet. Let's open this as well. Here you can see two hooks. You can hang the frame vertically as well as horizontally. Let me quickly open the frame. Here you get a MDF board. There is a thick transparent sheet. And this is the main frame. As you can see, it has some kind of texture on it. That's all we get with the frame. It's finally time to frame these drawings and I couldn't be more excited, you know. By the way, I got these frames from Meesho. I will provide the link in the description. You can check out and buy these frames. As you can see, I am adding a white sheet cutout to give a better look for the frame. It's time for final reveal. Among all these, which one you like the most? Comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.